Hi, welcome along, and in today's video we're going way back to 1965 on the Decca record label. This was a big hit for Dave Berry. This is called Little Things. Little things that you do make me glad I'm in love with you. Remember that one? Yeah, well, I'm going to be showing you how to play that today. If you like what you see, don't forget to click like and subscribe, as it does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you more guitar-based tutorials, these 60s and 70s things that I know you've been enjoying, every Friday at 5 o'clock. So give us a little subscribe and a like, helps me keep the channel moving along. If you're ready, go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Right then, let's start with the intro. Now then, the intro, we take our third finger, we place it on the 5th fret of the A string, right? And we're just going to slide it from the 5th to the 7th. Just like that, one stroke. That's going to bring our first finger in line with the 5th fret of the D string. There we go. So we've got, okay, simple as that. 2 strokes. And then we're gonna have our third finger on the 7th fret of this low E string. And we're gonna go, and then we're gonna go 5, 6, 7 on the A string. So we've got 7 on the E, and then 5, 6, 7 on the A. So slide, slide, first finger, 5th fret, D string, third finger, 7th fret, E string, and then 5, 6, 7 on the A string. So let me take you through that one more time really slowly. So we're gonna go slide, then repeat it again, now picks, the pick side of things, I'm just going down, up, down, up, down, down. Yeah, I'm just going down, up, down, up. So if I've just done a down, the next stroke will be an up. Okay, and that's really all there is to the intro. Right, let's move into the strumming pattern of the song. So we're going to go down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So mute the strings, just to demonstrate, just to get until you've got your strum pattern right. We're going to mute the strings and we're going to go down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Simple as that. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So there's 2 downs at the beginning. Down, then down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Chords. Let's give you some chords to play around with. E. So it goes little things that you D flat. The way we're going to do a D flat, we're going to bar all 6 strings at the 4th fret, and then we're going to have with our third finger, we're going to bar down on the D string, G string, and the B string at the 6th fret. Let me just bring it up to the camera so you can see. There we go, got that. So we've got E to the D flat, and then down again for an F sharp, which is barring all 6 strings with the first finger, and then second finger on the G string, 3rd fret, third finger, 4th fret, A string, little finger, 4th fret, D string. That's F sharp. and then we're going to come down for a B, which is again what we did for the D flat, which was up here, but we're going to do that in the 2nd fret, and then back to the E. So we've got little things that you D flat make me glad, F sharp, I'm in B2, back to E. One more time, little E, D flat, F sharp, then B, then E. Mixing that with the strum pattern. What I want you to do, I want you to do this thing where we pulse. Now, we're gonna press, 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 press. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on the beat, we're going to press the chord. All other times, you're going to not press down on the chord. You're going to hold the chord, but see, if I go really close to the camera, so for instance, when we're doing the E, it's going to be press, 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 yeah? And then we're going to go, same for the D flat, press, 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 press. Rest of the time, it's going to be muted. What that's going to do, that's going to, when we're not pressing, but we're still strumming, you're going to get like a scrub sound. It's good for rhythm. So with the down, down, up, down, up, down, up, you end up with... So what I mean, we end up with a more of a rib, rather than just going, which is too clean, too pointed. We don't want that. So we're going to go from an E to the D flat, and then F sharp, and then B, back to E. So let's take you through verse 2, 3. Little things that you do, let me there, I'm in love with you. Little things that you say. Got it? Okay, so we've got E, 2, 3, 4. E, D flat, F sharp, B, then E, then E, then D flat, then F sharp, then B, then E. Okay, now when we walk, that bit, you like to hold my hand. We're going to go to the A. When we were A, which is what you was doing for the F sharp, that shape, but we're going to slide up to the A, which is at the 5th position, okay? 2 bars of A, back down to E. When we walk, you like to hold my, down to E, back to A, you're down, and then up to B. You know I love those. That's up to B, which is the 7th fret. So we're going from A up to B. Let me take you through that bit again. So we've got 2, starting in the A, 5th position, 1, 2. When we walk, you like to hold, down to E, back to A, and then to B, you know, ba da da ba da, back to E, and then D flat, and then F sharp, and then B, and then E, and then E, and then E flat, and then F sharp, and then B, and B, and then A, and down to E, ba ba da da, and then to A, and then up to B, and da ba 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 da. Right, now we've got the bridge. This goes like this. Now this is a little bit more tricky, but you can handle it. The strum pattern changes to a gallop, and the gallop is a down up down, down up down, down up down, down up down. So that's down up down, down up down, and it's done quick. Now what I would recommend is that you keep your wrist loose and you flick down. So you flick your arm down and that gives you a flick out on the strings. Like that, yeah? So the chords, this is the bit that goes, little things that I hear, your little things you whisper in my ear. And so we've got a G to E minor, and then G and then E minor. And then we're gonna go C, which is holding, is what we did for the B, but we're gonna be up on the third position. So that's barring all 6 and having our third finger on 4, 3, 2, not 1 really. Try and lift off if you can. At the 5th fret with our third finger. That's a C. And then a D after the C would be sliding up to the 5th position. So let's just take you through them chords again. We got G, then E minor, and then G and back to E minor, and then C and then up to D, and then C and then up to E, down to B, and then the riff again. Okay, one more time with them chords. G, then to E minor, and then G and then down to E minor, and then C and then up to D, and then C and then up to D, down to B, which is the 2nd position. Let's put that in with that galloping strum pattern. Okay, so the little thing G, E minor, and then G and then E minor, and then C and then up to D, and then C and then up to D, and then down to B, and then riff. So there we have it, Little Things by Dave Berry. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comments section below, along with any other song suggestions that you might have for songs you'd like me to show you how to play in a future video. If you've liked today's video, please can you do me a massive favour, guys, and click like and subscribe for me, as it really does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you more of these 60s and 70s guitar tutorials every Friday at 5 o'clock. So, with all that said and done, it's been great having you along. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.